it goes through, or goes on top of and around Island Park. And this is the far end. This is actually the end of the road for the trail here. And what I thought I would do this morning is maybe take you someplace that most people don't never think to walk down. And actually where I'm at, I'm right on the corner of Olive and Minnesota Street here. So it's not too bad. It's a little bit cooler than what it was yesterday morning. But still there's no breeze. It's still manageable, I think, but it is a lot cooler than what it was yesterday. So, come on along and let's just kind of do some exploring here a little bit. Okay, here's a map up here. It's pretty old, but it kind of just shows where it goes and goes around. See, here's Olive Street in Minnesota, and that's where I'm at right here. If you follow this, it goes all the way around, just kind of loops around, and of course there's Island Park area, the restrooms, parking is all there. So that's where we're at, is Olive in Minnesota. We're just right there. So let's just kind of walk around here a little bit and enjoy a fairly nice morning. Like I said, it is colder than what it was this time yesterday morning. It's been quite a few years ago, but I walked all down through here just for curiosity's sake. Now, if you go on the other side of the river, most of that over there is private property, and it goes all the way down. I do believe there may be parts of not, but I do think most of it is private property over there. So that over there is pretty much off limits, but this is not on the side that we're on right now. So we're just going to kind of do some walking and do some talking. It's been quite a few years ago now that I can remember when they laid down all this rock. Very loud dog barking. I would not even want to try to go down through all that. You'd end up breaking your ankle probably pretty easily. It is a very pretty morning. No clouds I can see. It's about 30 degrees. But tomorrow now, Saturday, is supposed to be in the low 60s, so I guess we'll see. Seems like it changes all the time. To kind of give you an idea of what you'd be like, or what it would be like rather try to walk through all that. It'd be very dangerous. You can tell how low the river is. It's really very low. It is Friday morning, February the 3rd. And to my knowledge, as long as back as I can remember, nothing's ever been done with this. It's just kind of an open area to walk. People walk their dogs and stuff down through here. You can tell how low the river is. This actually, I looked it up on Google Maps once, and this is really a very long river. It goes quite the distance. There's actually almost like a little island out there. But like I said, it is really low. But we haven't had much rain, of course, here lately. We're going to walk on over here in just a minute. I can remember when I was a kid, before all this was here, like what I mean is before they had the nature trails and all that. I used to explore this as a kid. It looked quite a bit different way back then. Railroad tracks is right over there. Still very much active set of tracks. Some of these boulders, if that's what you want to call them, are pretty good size. Looks like this kind of like a little path. Okay. This is interesting. What in the world? A pail. And what in the world is that? I tell you what it looks like. It looks like an old farm implement, maybe some sort. Maybe somebody found it and tried to dig it out. I'll see what I mean. Stating about what you can find if you go out and explore around your area. That is weird. I've not been down here in a very, very long time. Let's walk on down this way. That is so bizarre. We're going to walk on down here to I imagine a lot of parties go on out here fishing and that sort of thing. Of course, it's not really that time of year. But yeah, see, that's why the firewood is somebody's collected. Wow, and then here's a fire pit, I would assume. And here's a little babbling brook of sorts. I don't think I came this way last time I was down here. But see, that's how low it is. Wow, that's crazy. Zoom in there a little bit without it getting too blurry. Hmm. Wow. I'd really forgotten this is here. Hmm. I'm sorry, I'm shaking a little bit. It's kind of chilly. Okay, we'll go on. I'm not sure how far we can go in anymore. How much all this has changed over the years. Okay, guys, I thank you for tagging along with me this morning. Just get out for a little while, just kind of look around a little bit. This is Friday. Hope you have a very nice day. Hope you have a nice weekend. Just be safe, but go out and have some fun. Go out and explore your area, your neck of the woods. You never know what you might find. That's a prime example right there. Just found that today. Huh. All right, well, hope you do have a very nice weekend. And as always, we will see you on the next video. So, goodbye for now.